what's up guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we're firing up the outdoor kitchen. We're going to do some peaches pecan pancakes out here on the Camp Chef. Might as well throw some bacon in it. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you how they come out. Check it out. Hey, let's go ahead and get this Camp Chef fired up. Let me get the gas turned on. Get this thing heating up. There we go. Put that like on medium. Might as well turn them both on. There we go. It just be a couple of minutes for this griddle to get up to temp, and we'll be ready to make us some pancakes. Ooh, boy, this Camp Chef getting hot. We lower it down a little bit. That's what you want. You want a hot skillet to get this bacon on there. Let's go ahead and put us this bacon. We're gonna get this bacon done up right. There we go. Oh yeah, just listen to that sizzle. Yes, sir. This bacon will be done in no time with this hot griddle. Let me get some put over here. Oh yeah, love the sound of that. Just, who don't like bacon? I don't know too many people that don't like bacon, especially on a Sunday morning. Ain't gotta go to work. Just you, the family. Maybe a little bit of service, a little bit later on. Oh yeah, this will be good. And what I mean by service, I'm talking about Sunday service. Oh yeah, this will be done up in no time. Look at this. That is a nice hot griddle. Grease is going to flow down into the drip pan. Will be done in no time. All right, so this bacon is just about done. Look at this bacon. Ooh, man, this bacon came out nice and crispy in no time at all. Let me go ahead and turn this off so I can get it cleaned up and get it ready for the eggs and pancakes. Got me a little container, and we're just gonna throw this bacon in here and let this paper towel soak up some of the grease. Yes, sir. Look at that. Don't that look good? That looks absolutely delicious. Great looking bacon. Yes, sir. So we get this covered up. We'll get this grease pulled out of here, get it cleaned up, and we'll be ready to make us some pancakes. So let's go ahead and drop us a pancake. I like my pancakes just a little bit buttery. You know, kind of like Paula Deen says, gotta have some butter. That's the way I like my pancakes, with butter. So we'll get a little bit of butter, spread out on this skillet. Oh yeah, look at that, just look at that. That looks absolutely wonderful. And now we'll get ready to pour us one. Yes, sir. Woo, man. It's gonna be a big one. That may be one for Daddy. So this pancake is coming up. We got this other one over on this other side. Ooh, man, it's ready to get flipped. Let's get her flipped. Oh man, just look at that golden brown color. That looks absolutely delicious. Butter type pancakes are the best way to go. We're gonna get this pancakes made up and then we'll get some eggs in there. I'm excited, I'm stoked. Woo, baby. Let's go ahead and drop us a couple of eggs here, guys. We're getting ready to make this plate up. Ooh, yes, sir. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Dropping us some eggs right here. Ooh, man, that mix was good. Already got a couple of pancakes done right here. We got the bacon. We just waiting on the eggs. We're gonna dress up these pancakes like you ain't never seen. Wait till you see this. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. All right, let's see if we can get these eggs flipped. Oh yeah. Oh no, they still need a little bit more to go. These pancakes right here are nice and golden brown. That's what I'm telling you, man. You put your little bit of butter on the skillet, and you'll get perfect pancakes just like this. Just they're ready to go. Okay, let's see these eggs. See how these eggs are turning out. They need to try to separate them a little bit. There we go. Get this egg flipped over, and we're gonna have us some very delicious breakfast. Ooh, yes sir, yes sir. It's gonna be good. So these eggs are just about done. Let's put it together. Gonna grab me a pancake. Get this one flipped over. I like 3 pieces of bacon. See how these eggs get done. Oh yeah, perfect. There we go. Look at that. Don't that look good? That looks absolutely gorgeous. Check that out right there. Okay, but that ain't nothing yet. Wait till I dress it up. Remember those peaches that I cut up a little bit earlier? Put that sugar on there, and I cut up those pecans. Yes, sir. Let me get me some of this. Look at that. You see all the juices that started to form on there? Yes, sir. We'll get some of these peaches put on here. Now take a look at this. Don't tell me that don't look good. I mean, that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's put some syrup on it. Peaches pecan pancakes. Man, it's a breakfast of champions right here, guys. Oh my gosh, that looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me get me a bite. Oh man, this pancake just falling apart. Here we go. Oh my God. Woo! Man, them peaches are good. My goodness. This is, oh my gosh. With the pecans on them too. And they're nice and buttery. My God. This is good. I mean, really good.
Where's mine?
Give me some bacon. Oh my gosh. Let me break some of this egg into it. Okay, y'all see that? Oh yeah. There's that yolk. Now you can't say that ain't good. That is really good. Here we go. Fantastic. I can't say anything else besides that one word. Peaches, pecans, pancakes. You follow that recipe, oh my gosh, people will love you in your house. You know, they're lining up at the door right now at mine. You know, people want their breakfast. I gotta let you guys go because I gotta fix theirs up. Listen, if you do me a favor, right there in the corner, there's a little subscribe button. Click on that button and smash that bell. That'll get you future notifications of upcoming videos. Also, I want to show you my Patreon account. I'm going to put a link to it right here. And it'll pop up right there too as well. If you're interested in supporting the channel, very much appreciate it. Would love it if you do. And would welcome it. But besides that, guys, I will talk to you guys later. Oh, I want to thank my Patreons also for helping me out. I got Ben Lee, Maria Balderas, Sam Santos, Leticia Vallejo, Billy Walsh, and Brian Gutierrez. People that help support this channel. Love you guys especially. You're the best. You're awesome. I will talk to you guys later, and I will see you on the next cookout. You guys take care.